So,
Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to TCC. This is Rajesh and this is where we are starting our new series on our latest Himachal tour. So we went to Himachal in the last week of June. This series has two parts. One is about Hamta Pass trek and the other is about a short Spiti Valley tour. So let me quickly tell you about our itinerary first. We went to Delhi via flight and from Delhi we took bus to Manali, overnight bus to Manali. And from Manali we first went for Hamta Pass trek. And after the trek was completed, we had few days in our hands, so we went to visit Chandratal and Kaza as well. So in this episode, we'll be showing you how we reached Manali, but there will be some important information for you as well. That where we stayed in Manali, what we had, and what are the specialties in and around Manali, and also there will be some beautiful glimpses of the hill station. So stay tuned with us, watch the full episode, and also if you like our videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Let's start.
So it's 9 a.m. now and we have reached Delhi airport. So we'll be waiting for Shiron here and then we'll be heading to Pranta's house and from there tonight we'll catch our bus to Manali. What the guy? It's 10 p.m. now and we have boarded the bus from Manali. It's supposed to reach around 11:30 a.m. at Manali, but given the road condition and the traffic jam in recent days, especially while entering the Manali, so we are expecting a delay. So let's see when we reach. So, good night for the day. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Hey guys, good morning. So it's raining currently. We are crossing Sundarnagar. Manali is still around 120 km from here. It will take probably 4 hours or so. So I just hope like the weather is a bit better when we reach Manali.
So we booked our bus from Delhi to Manali via Red Bus. While returning, we booked Zing Bus. So one advantage that we really liked about Zing Bus is like they have their own lounge at Manali where you can wait. I think they have their lounges in every important city. So this is a really good thing because whenever I have traveled with Red Bus, I have never found any such provisions. We have to wait like at roadside for the bus along with your luggages, which is a very hectic thing. So having a lounge like what Zing Bus have is really helpful. So we reached Manali at around 12. We got down at the private bus stand and from there we took cab to the place where we were staying, Safar Hostel. It was around 10 minutes in cab.
লক করা আছে পেছনের স্ট্র্যাপটা Here the rest of the people staying.
Hi! Welcome to Manali.
So we just had our lunch. We are staying in Safar Hostel. It is in Old Manali near the clubhouse. So yeah, it's really a quiet place. It's really got good vibes. So you must have seen the videos of the hostel as well. So this is one of the rooms. So you could see the view outside the window is very good, and then it's attached to the bed as well. So you could imagine like what you will be waking up to in the morning, and then it's really a cozy place, well decorated as well. So like in an hour or so we'll be going to the Mall Road. We'll buy few essential things that are left, and then tomorrow morning we'll start for the trek. So yeah, and in the meantime I'll try to fly my drone in and around here. So if I am able to do so, we'll see some clips. So here people playing Zinda. Here is Sharon in a rest mode. Here is Zinda still trying to get out of his
सब कुछ
office.
का
But here is the
11
sorted.
months का होता है ना हाँ तो 11 months
The one who is really sorted.
बोल दो ना कि आपका एग्रीमेंट जो होता है ना
She slept for almost the whole of the bus trip, and then now.
কোথায় থেকে করছে নিচ থেকে আরে ঠিক পেয়ে গেছে
ভালো বেশ উপরেই রাখতে হবে কিছু করার নেই দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও ভাই দাঁড়াও
So now we are heading towards the Mall Road. We will buy some essentials before our trek starts tomorrow, and we will have our dinner. That's the plan for today. You can leave.
हो जाएगा
तो अभी क्या हुआ कि लाइक ये 5:30 के करीब खत्म हुआ आस्किंग अस टू गो आउट, तो हम बोले कि ठीक है थोड़ी देर में चलते, तू जाके देखते रहे, हम लोग आ रहे हैं. And we really got out, like and we actually had fallen asleep. So like we wake up at around 6:30, and then he was calling us that I'm already at Manali Mile Road. So where are you guys? अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. वो शायद बंदा पिछले आधे घंटे से हम लोग का वेट कर रहा होगा. तो he is gonna furious with us. So anyway, अब मनाना पड़ेगा बच्चे को. चलते. ब्रिटिश श्योर कि जब तक हम लोग पहुँचे सुबह तो वेट करते करते कुछ ना कुछ खाया होगा. So let's see where can I find him. একা চলে এলি কি খেলি
তোরা মোমোস খেলাম, সুইট কর্ন খেলাম, কফি খেলাম, লজ্জা করে না?
So I say like ये अकेला वेट करने वाला नहीं है, आप कुछ ना कुछ खाता रहेगा डेफिनेटली.
I have been to Mall Road of different hill stations, but I have never seen such a crowd. Manali Mall Road looked right Kolkata in peak Durga Puja festival time. In dinner, we tried trout fish for the first time. So what is the better place than Manali to try trout fishes? We had our dinner at the Corner House. It is in Mall Road. The Google Map location of the place has been shared in the video description below. You can check.
This guy is going to have his 6th softie for the day. 6 softie. Second. Me and the rest of the people, all adults, are craving for softie.
Hey guys, good morning. So a quick update for the day that we'll be leaving now. It's 8:30 am. So from here we'll go to Manali Mall Road. We'll report there. Before that we'll have our breakfast. So after that there might be some briefing going on, and then we'll head to Jobra. Jobra is around 15 km from Manali. It will take around 1 hour by car. So from there our trek starts. Hope you have liked the video. So once again, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. In the next episode, we will be traveling to Chika on our first day of Hamta Pass trek. That will be coming very soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. तब तक के लिए अलविदा, खुदा हाफिज, take care, bye bye.